Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting software platform, which is Hubdoc and AutoEntry. So to get started with the head-to-head comparison about the two accounting platforms, help you decide which of these accounting software would be a better option for your business and for you to use to automate your work in 2025. So to get started, in 2025, both Hubdoc and AutoEntry are excellent tools for automating bookkeeping, but they serve slightly different preferences and ecosystems. Hubdoc, owned by Xero, specializes in fetching documents from banks, vendors, and extract the data and push it into Xero or QuickBooks. It's highly effective for streamlining document collection, and it tightly integrates with Xero, making it a natural fit for businesses already using that platform. Then AutoEntry, by contrast, support a wide range of accounting platforms, including QuickBooks, Xero, and Surge. It offers a deeper customization when capturing and categorizing data from received invoicing and bank statement, which is useful for those or for whose complex accounting needs. The choice comes down to ecosystem and flexibility. Hubdoc is simple and more seamless for Xero users, while AutoEntry provide more control and a broader platform support. And here's a better conclusion about the two platforms. If you are looking for a lightweight, reliable tools, especially if you use Xero, choose AutoEntry. If you also need a broader integration and advanced data abstraction, or work with a higher document volume. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Give it a turn notification button and subscribe for more friends.